Hello everyone, my name is Lola. I am the founder of Healthy Credit Habits, and today is Just Fix It. Today is Friday. I know you're as excited as I am for the weekend. Cheers. Today let me back up. For those of you I've not yet had the opportunity of meeting, I work with individuals and businesses who have clients that need to fix their credit. So let's say they have a low credit score. It could be 400s, 500s, what have you. I work with those individuals to get them from where they are today to where they're trying to go in order for them to get their credit confidence back, in order to improve their or increase their purchasing power. Because let's face it, with healthy credit, life is less expensive. You're able to pay less for those things that those with subprime credit scores, they have to pay more for. So that could be purchasing a house, purchasing a car, taking out a student loan, taking out a personal loan. Those things that you're looking to buy, that credit is a factor in the lending decision, I work with individuals to get them over that hump so that they can make their next move, the best move, the cheapest move, because with bad credit you do pay more for a lot of things that, in my opinion, you shouldn't have to. The goal of today's video is for you to walk away with what not to do if you ever receive a suspicious letter notice in the mail from the credit bureaus. So I have a client that I'm working with, and we're actively working to restore their credit score. However, as part of the dispute process, the credit bureaus, they do have 30 days to respond to any dispute that you sent them via mail. And with that being said, the response letter they received back was, "Dear client, we believe we received a suspicious letter. Please give us a call. We are concerned for your credit welfare. Here's a website you can go to. Here's a 800 number you can call. And my one takeaway for you, if you don't take anything else away, is do not call, do not go online, do not phone home, do not call Dear Aunt Sally, because if you do so, you impact your success rate in getting something that is truly not yours, that's on your credit report, permanently removed." So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a credit card account and you have a late payment that's reporting, and you weren't late, and you go online to dispute. And the credit bureaus, they come back and they send you a response letter. Here are the results of our investigation. And they tell you that the information was verified and it's accurate. That means that if you attempt to dispute that information again, more often than not, they're not liable or legally compelled to go back and reinvestigate that information again. That's why it's important to send any dispute letters, any correspondence that you have with them, or communication rather, that you do it via mail. It helps you out as the consumer, and it just ensures that if you ever have to go back to prove that, hey, you disputed this information, it was in fact deleted, that you have some sort of audit trail in your corner to kind of state your case. What happens is the credit bureaus, they like to stall. They want to deter you from disputing with them, because it causes them or costs them time, resources, and money that they have to pay those resources to investigate that information. They don't get paid to investigate, they get paid to report information on your report. So anytime they have to go and pay someone to verify and make sure this information they've been paid to report is inaccurate, it costs them to do so. So just want you to be aware that if you ever receive a letter in the mail, please don't go online, do not phone home, do not call their 800 number. Be sure to follow up with them via mail, and you can just let them know you received a correspondence stating that this letter was suspicious, that it's not suspicious, and that your initial letter was dated 15 days ago, that means they have 15 more days before their 30-day clock runs out, and they have to either update or delete that information that they cannot verify on your credit report. I hope that you have found this information useful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to DM me, feel free to email me or my team. We're happy to help, happy to answer any questions, happy to get you over that hump. Remember, with healthy credit, life is less expensive. Take care, enjoy your Friday, have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you for our next installation. Take care.